Imagine being able to make $40 every hour by simply viewing movies. That's incredible. Throughout this video, I will teach you how and where to earn $40 hourly by just viewing movies. All you need now is a phone or computer. And the greatest thing is that this approach is completely free and available anywhere on the globe. This one is going to be a very convenient procedure that you might really like in only a moment. I'll show you how to register for a free account, and I'll show you which video might well earn the most profit. I'll also give you additional bonus tips at the end of this video, which will allow you to earn 5 times more profit than everyone. So continue to stay until the very end. But before we dive into the tutorial, welcome to Online Cash Flow, where we teach you how to make money online fast and easy. Make sure to smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated whenever I post new content on how to make money online. Please like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any questions and any suggestions. Let's get this started. First, go to this website named twitch.tv. Twitch TV is a video streaming service that is centered on online gaming streaming, including newscasts of esports. It also appears to offer music telecasts, creative works, and much more recently in real-life streams. As you'll see here, you can find various videos from multiple channels that you can all watch for free. And as you have already known, the majority of these videos are gaming videos. So we are also using videos like these right here. Then I need you to go to another page and click on the browse button up top, which will take you to a page in which you might pick from several genres of videos to view on this website. So now I would like you to concentrate on this specific category, which is Valorant. This is among the most popular video games right now. So I want you to go ahead and click on this category that will take you to the Valorant channel. This game has over 12 million followers, so a lot of people are keen to watch these types of videos. And if you scroll down below, you can find even more videos that you can watch and earn money from. Visit oak.io, and this is how it works. You have to create an account. When your account is ready, to use this site, it will reduce a lengthy URL link. For instance, when I want to shorten this video's URL link from twitch.tv, I'll need to grab the video's URL link first, then return to oak.io and paste the long URL link exactly here. Afterwards, all I have to do is click this button to shorten this URL, and as you can see, it is the shorter link that this website provides. Now this is how we will earn. Whenever people click on your shortened link right here, you will be paid per click over and over again, depending on who clicks on your link. If someone from Australia clicks on your link, you'll get $5. And if someone from the United Kingdom clicks on your link, you'll get $4. So you'll get a unique payout rate depending on which nation the person who clicked your fairly short link came from. That's the exact strategy used by all the other people from all over the world that makes money online. Before that, let me know in what country you are from. Comment it down below so we know what content works best in your country. Take a peek at this oak.io right now. So currently it has over 600,000 registered users who are all actively using this website and earning a profit on a regular basis. And the best feature is that this website offers a variety of payment methods for all of you to choose from, which includes PayPal, Payza, Skrill, WebMoney, Bitcoin, and bank transfer. Now let me share to you how to sign up for a free account with this website. All you have to do is click the sign up button up on top, and it will begin taking you to this page where you can register for a new membership for absolutely free by simply just enter your username and your email address and then create your password. Thereafter, tick I'm not a robot and then submit. Once you've completed your account, here's how your dashboard will appear, with information as to how many people have clicked on your link, as well as how much income you've earned. As this is a fresh account and we've not compressed any links yet, you can see here $0. So initially, I need you to go back to twitch.tv and locate 3 videos in the Valorant category. Then let's say for your first video, you chose this particular one right here. All you must do is click this video, then click this share button, but then copy the URL address for this video. Now we'll return to our dashboard at oak.io and put the lengthy URL that we copied before right here and in the box, then click on shorten. As you can see, this website will automatically shorten the link. But before we continue with the video, thank you for making it this far. What are your thoughts about the video? Are you getting more excited to earn money online? Let us know. We love to hear from you. Please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Now back to the video. Now, as a section of the reward tips that I promised you, I'll start giving you this primed script right here. This one is my Valorant post template that you can simply copy and paste and start using right away to make some cash. Here's how I constructed my template. So initially, I'll offer a little introduction of the game and then something like this. For more Valorant videos to watch now, click the links below. That is where we'll paste the shortened links for the 3 videos. In doing so, when people click on your links, you'll earn money. For instance, for video number 1, I'm going to copy and paste the link we simplified previously right here. As you can see, it is my first URL link, so when people click on your links, you'll gain considerably more money depending on which country they're coming from. Now all you can do is go back to twitch.tv for the second video and select on the share button to copy this long URL link. Then just go back to oak.io on our dashboard and paste the long URL link of the second video right in the box. Then click on shorten and the website will automatically shorten the link for you. So all you have to do is click on the copy button and paste it on the video number 2. Repeat the steps of video number 1 and number 2 for video number 3. Finally, as promised, this is the extra tip. Go out to a site called forums.pcgamer.com. This is a well-known community where people debate many gaming topics, including Valorant videos. This is why I like this forum. It is 100% free and accessible globally. There are several active posts going on and people continue to discuss various gaming topics daily. As you'll see, there seem to be a lot of interactions and posts here in the general gaming section under the PC gaming discussions. If we click on general gaming, it will take us to this page in which we can discover various posts. There are a lot of people writing very brief and clear posts on this message board and they're getting lots of clicks. There's just so many possibilities right here on this website. Now, if we browse Valorant, we will see that there are a lot of people talking about this, and there's a thriving market in this particular gaming video category right now. As you'll see on twitch.tv, Valorant has around 12 million followers, which is incredible. But on the other hand, forums like pcgamer.com are a great platform to post this exact template, because whenever people click on any of your shortened links, you'll receive the money the same way. And that's it. If this video helped you a lot, we appreciate you finishing it until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe to our channel and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you will always be updated on any videos that we will be uploading. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave any comments down below. Bye!